If you want to set up an alarm clock on the Realme GT 7T, then first of all we're gonna open the clock app that we can find in the app drawer. Over here, as you can see, we have some example alarm clocks that we can use or customize. However, if you want to create your own one, then we can just press this plus button. In case you don't see this screen, then make sure that the alarm option is selected over here at the bottom. So press this plus button, then you can choose when the alarm should go off. Let's say we're gonna set it to 9 AM. There we go. We can also assign a custom profile to it or something like that. We can set up the name, the ringtone that will be played when the alarm goes off. We have vibration options, snooze options, and once you are done, we can press done. If you go to custom, you can also make this alarm to repeat every day or in selected days of the week. So press done in the top right corner once you are ready, and there we go. Now we can tap on this switcher in order to skip just for tomorrow if it's a recurring alarm, or you can just completely turn it off. You can also tap on any of the alarms in order to customize it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.